Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. Leo nimewaletea about Diana Marua's father. Bahati tunaona pale mitandaoni wamepost kama wana gift baba yake a brand new car, which is very good. People have been complaining they have never seen Diana gifting the father anything, but surprisingly now you can see with your eyes they have gifted their father a brand new car, which is so good. And sometimes it's good to remember our parents kwa sababu we get some blessings from them. And there goes some comments of congratulations from some of the fans. They were so happy to see this happen. So you can see the comments from the fans. At least they were trying to congratulate both of them for gifting their father a brand new car, which is good. We don't have to rush people to gift the parents. They have their own time. When the right time comes, now they have done it. So tusiwe tunapush watu. Mitandao iko na pressure sana. Tuache watu wafanye ile kitu wanaona ni mzuri ama wakati wao ukifika, the right time. So tunaona hapa watu wanamcongratulate, wanasema congratulations. And this is so good and it's a blessing. So that's it about Diana and Bahati. We can see some people saying good job, may God bless you. Just a simple question: is Bahati Diana working apart from singing? That's none of your business. Be blessed for your good work. Another person is saying when a wife sets good example and she deserves anything she needs from his man. Wow. From the man. We grow up and forget our parents almost the time. Can't sleep, hungry just for us to study. But they have done something good. So some people are positive, others are negative as usual. You can't get everyone being positive on your post or on your content. And that's nature of human beings. So we can't complain so much about them. We just understand and move on. So that's it about the Bahatis. People are saying good job, may God bless you abundantly. We look but we don't judge. Why should you judge? Where will it benefit us? Like seriously, you people are not serious. Some have feelings. I don't know why. Glory be to God. They have feelings and yet they have been insisting. They have never seen them gifting the father anything. But to their surprise, they have seen it. So they lack words to say. That's why some of them are so bitter, which is not a good thing. We should learn to appreciate whenever someone does a better thing, like a good thing. We have to appreciate. We don't have to throw stones over them. No, that's not the way to go. That's not the way to go. We have to be positive always, but not being negative. Anyway, I need to know your take on comment section. Kindly like, comment, subscribe, share. And bye bye for now. Take care and blessings in abundance.